children.
Dear explorers, I welcome you to the Knowledge Park. Today, I take on the topic of data migration, which means moving information between different systems. I invite you to join me on an adventure where we discover how to plan, prepare, and carry out data migration in a safe and effective way. On the walking path, I met Mouse and Cat. Mouse tried to explain data migration by saying it was like carrying boxes full of documents from one office to another on your back. Cat, on the other hand, thought data migration was about hacking and teleporting files straight into a new system using a magic portal. Their ideas were funny, but real data migration is a process of planning, mapping structures, testing correctness, and moving information in a way that keeps it safe and causes as little trouble as possible for users. In the Stone Corner, I met Ladybug and Puppy. Ladybug shared that she recently moved a website from one hosting to another, making sure all the pictures and text stayed in the right places. Puppy mentioned moving a photo library to the cloud, and during the process, he checked if the files were not damaged and if they had the right information attached. Their examples showed that data migration is not just copying, but also checking if everything fits and matches. On the flower meadow, I met Guinea Pig and Parakeet. I decided to check what they knew and ask them about data migration. Guinea Pig explained that the process has steps: understanding what is needed, designing how the data will be moved, testing before the move, and finally transferring everything with as little downtime as possible. Parakeet added that backups, quality checks, and protecting access to the data are also important. I praised them for their knowledge and summed up that data migration is a planned move of information between systems, keeping it safe and reducing risks. Dear researchers, today you learned what data migration is and what steps are part of this process. We saw funny ideas for explaining migration and real-life examples. I hope this introduction made you curious to learn more. See you on the next exciting journeys through the Knowledge Park.